Okay, this is how to reset the service light on a 69 plate Citroen Berlingo. So we just pop the ignition on to show you where the service reminder comes up. So you can see the spanners flashing, and you also have a spanner up over there. Now this one can also be towards the blue level that needs topping up. So I'll show you how to reset the service light. It's very simple. So you need to push the very left button, the one with the spanner on it, with the ignition off. So push that in, turn ignition on, and it will count down. So keep it pressed until it says 0 equals. So that's done. Ignition off, ignition back on, and that's it. Spanner light gone, and also the orange one is gone as well. Hope that helps.